In this sum, angle X is given to you as 62 degrees. Angle XYZ is given to you as 54 degrees. You have to find angle OZY, this one. And angle YOZ. So this angle and this angle you have to find it out. Further, one more thing is given to you, that YO and OZ are the angle bisectors of XYZ and XZY. YO is the bisector of XYZ. That means this YO is dividing this whole angle into two equal parts, and this OZ is dividing this whole angle in two equal parts. Now in this picture, in this figure, two triangles are given to you. First is this bigger triangle XYZ, and one more triangle is there, YOZ. So we'll talk about this YOZ later. First we'll take the bigger triangle. In this two sides, two angles are given to you. We have to find the third angle, bigger angle, because we need this to finding this angle. Since OZ is the bisector, if we find this whole angle, we can divide it and find out this answer. That's why we'll take the bigger triangle first. So in triangle XYZ, the bigger triangle, sum of all the angles you know, it is 180 degree. So we'll write that angle X plus, we'll write the name of the angles. First is angle X, then next is angle XYZ plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY. And this thing is equal to 180 degrees. So angle X we are having 62 degrees. XYZ we are having 54 degrees. We have to find angle XZY, and this comes to as 180 degrees. So angle XZY, what is 62 plus 54? It is 116 equals to 180. So angle XZY equals to 180 minus 116, and this comes to 64. So this XZY, the whole thing is 64 degrees. Now since OZ is the bisector of angle XZY, so we can write the measurement of angle OZY as, so angle OZY is equal to, we'll just divide it by two equal parts. We are dividing this whole angle into two equal parts. So the meaning of bisector is it is dividing the whole angle into equal parts. So we'll divide it by 2, and this comes to 32 degrees. So angle OZY is 32 degrees. So this was the first part of the solution. We'll write it in a box. Now second part, we have to find YOZ. For this, we'll take this smaller triangle. Now in this, how to find the measurement of this part? This we got it as 32. How will to find this? Again we'll divide this 54 by 2 to get this angle OYZ. So angle OYZ is equal to 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27 degrees. So for this triangle OYZ, we got the measurement of this angle also, and we require just this. So we'll take the inner triangle. In triangle OYZ, we'll write the names of all the angles. Angle OYZ, first is OYZ, then angle OZY plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ equals to 180 degree. YOZ, all these three. The sum of all the three measurements is 180 degree. OYZ we are having 27 plus OZY we are having 32. We need to find angle YOZ. We will write as it is, equals to 180. So 27 plus 32 is 59. Plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. Therefore YOZ, you will get it as 180 minus 59, and it comes to 121 degrees. So angle YOZ equals to 121. This is the second part of the solution. YOZ we got it as 121. So this is the first part and this is the second part. This is the figure for the third sum. In this it is given AB is parallel to DE. These two lines are parallel to each other. And BAC is 35 degrees. Angle CD is 53 degrees. You have to find angle DCE. That means this angle you have to find it out. Now how will you proceed? Now whatever is given to you, you have to start from that. Now AB is parallel to DE. So that means and AC is the transversal. These two lines are parallel to each other and AE is the transversal. So what do you mean by that? That means this forms the pair of alternate angles, this one and this one. It's making a Z over here with these two parallel lines. Z is forming, and for inside Z these two angles are there. So these two are alternate angles and this will be equal. Therefore you will write the reason AB is parallel to DE and AE is a transversal. So for that reason angle BAC will be equal to angle CED, this one. So from here we can directly write angle CED will be equal to 35 degrees. Reason is alternate angles. These are alternate angles. So measurement of angle CED will be directly 35 degrees. Now further we will take in triangle CED. Now we want to find this angle, and we are already having this angle also and this angle also. So we'll take this triangle CDE or DEC. So in triangle CED, I'll write the measurements of all the three angles. Angle DCE plus angle CDE plus angle CED equals to 180 degree. So this is the way of writing all the names of the angles. I took first C one time, then D once and E once in middle. So what is angle DCE? DCE we have to find it out. This I will write angle DCE as it is plus what is CDE? CDE is 53 and CED, this what is 35 degrees, equals to 180. So angle DCE plus 88 equals to 180. So angle DCE equals to 180 minus 88 and it comes to angle DCE is equal to 90 degree. This is the required solution. In the fourth sum, the given part is PRT is 40 degrees, RPT is 95 degrees and TSQ is 75 degrees. And you have to find angle SQG. That means this part of the angle you have to find it out. Now there are two triangles over here. In this triangle, two angles are given, and in this part of the triangle only one angle is given. So no use of taking this triangle first. So first take this triangle. Since two are given, we can easily find the third angle by using angle sum property. So in triangle, to start with the solution, we will take first this triangle. So in triangle PRT. So PRT, we'll write the names of the angles. Angle PRT plus angle RPT plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property. That means the sum of the measures of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So PRT we know it is 40 degrees. Plus RPT is given to you as 95 degrees. Plus angle PTR, we have to find it out, equals to 180 degree. 40 plus 95 is 135. So 135 plus angle PTR is equal to 180. So angle PTR comes to 180 minus 135 and it is 45 degrees. So this we got it as 45 degrees. Now when we are getting this as 45, what is the relation between this and this? You can easily see that these are vertically opposite angles. By using that property, we can get the measurement of angle STQ. So therefore angle STQ is also 45 degrees and the reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we have to find the next part. This is our main part. So for this, now in this triangle we are having the measurements of this angle also and this angle also. So you can easily use the angle sum property for this triangle. So in triangle STQ, you will write the measurements of all the three angles. STQ plus angle SQT plus angle TSQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now STQ is 45 plus SQT we don't know, so we'll write as it is, plus TSQ is 75 equals to 180. So angle SQT equals to 180 minus 45 plus 75 is 120. So this 120 I took it on this side. So we will get the sum as SQT equals to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. This is the required solution.